In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a large checkerboard background in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll have a full-page checker pattern behind your text that looks clean and professional. Start with a blank document or the file you're already working in. We're going to place a single shape that covers the entire page and then turn that shape into a checkerboard. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and select the rectangle. Click near the top left corner of the page and drag all the way to the bottom right until the rectangle covers the entire page. If you see a thin white border, just use the corner handles to nudge it so it reaches edge to edge. It's okay if it slightly overlaps the margins. That ensures there's no gap showing. Now, right-click the rectangle and choose Format Shape. This opens the Format Shape pane, usually on the right side of the screen. In that pane, look for Fill, then select Pattern Fill. Pattern Fill tells Word to repeat a small design across the shape, which is exactly how we'll create the checkerboard effect. Within the pattern options, pick a checker type pattern. The exact name can vary by Word version, but look for something like Checkerboard or Small Grid. As soon as you click different patterns, you'll see the rectangle preview update in real time. Choose the one that gives you the checker look you want. If the squares look too dense or too light, try a different checker or grid option until it feels right for your page. Next, set the foreground and background colors to define the contrast. Classic black and white works great for high contrast, but you can also use softer grays or theme colors for a more subtle background. If the pattern looks inverted from what you expected, simply swap the foreground and background colors to flip the look. Right now, the rectangle is probably sitting on top of your content, which can hide your text. To fix that, right-click the rectangle, choose Wrap Text, and select Behind Text. Your text and other elements will immediately appear on top, while the checkerboard stays in the background. From here, you can type and format your document as usual. A quick note: high contrast patterns can be visually strong and may use more ink when printing. Consider using lighter colors if you want a softer look or plan to print often. And if your checkerboard seems overwhelming, try a subtler grid pattern or muted tones to keep the page readable. That's it. Draw a full-page rectangle, open Format Shape, choose Pattern Fill with a checker pattern, pick your colors, and send it behind text. You now have a large checkerboard background in Word.